So hey guys, it's Yanaka and we are doing बहुत अच्छा वाला makeup look today. So this is my raw face and I'm filming a raw video because I want to tell you guys that makeup is not all about surgeries and all that stuff. I just want to clear you out that if you have acne or acne prone skin, the acne will remain on your face and it will be visible. So stay tuned for that. We will do soft glam makeup look on this dress and we will do a story time also because I love to tell a stories. I have a lot of stories and I want to share with you guys. So stay tuned for that. Okay. So I have randomly just got a Pinterest idea or I have asked ChatGPT about how should I do makeup on this dress. This dress I bought I think 2 or 3 years ago on my birthday and this dress I wore and that day. Yes, you heard me right. So I was not able on that day that I should wear this properly and do a proper makeup on this dress. So I want to share how I will do a makeup that will suit on this dress and make this outfit look good. So this is one piece dress. This is a short frock and this is from I think it is from Flipkart I guess. So if you want a link and please let me know in the comment section and I will provide a link to you. So without a further ado, यही बोलते बोलते पूरा वीडियो खत्म हो जाने वाला है. So we will do skincare first. I will be using a moisturizer that suits my skin type. So I will be taking little bit amount. This is not enough amount, but I need hydration to my skin because I am breaking out so much this day because this climate is so unpredictable and my skin not tolerate this kind of stuff. So yeah, I will be applying this on my whole face. So I have applied a moisturizer that suits my skin type. So my skin type is sensitive plus oily skin type. So I will be waiting for some few minutes to just soak this product and then I will do eye makeup first and then I will go with my face makeup. Face makeup is so simple but eye makeup we will do thoda sa dramatic because this dress is so simple, so subtle and we need to create just drama because your girl. So I have waited for a while and I think I should go for further step. But if you have a time, then just go with color correction process because this is important step. But if you are just like me that you are only in a rush, then direct go with full coverage concealer and you just need a little bit concealer and you are good to go. So take a little bit concealer wherever you need it, just put it and just wait it for a while and then blend this with wet beauty blender or the brushes if you can. So I have waited for a while and then I'm taking this brush and I will be just blending this product evenly because I need a coverage. That's why I have waited for a while. If you are in a rush, then you can just go with blending process. So yeah, see, blend the product properly. If you don't blend the product properly, then this type of patches it may get on your face and this should get your face look cakey and then you blame to me and say, oh my god, you told me that you should blend the product properly. Okay, is done. Then I should go with some drastic or dramatic eyes. So I will be taking my neutral palette and using that colors and we will go with a bold. Be taking this eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is I think from Inside and I will be taking some neutral colors and I will just go with dramatic eye look today. So I should first take this kind of brown shade. Are you guys seeing that? This brown shade and this shade and I will go with some neutral. So Yeah, I want to show you guys a story time that when I brought this dress don't fit me so well, and I think this dress is not kind of my body type, but I have a chill that I want this dress for me. That's why I brought this dress, but it doesn't get me right way. So I get so worried about it, but anyhow I manage it to wear this. And I have never worn this dress outside, but I needed this dress so badly, and I love this dress. If I love someone or I just want that thing, I should get it, or even I should regret. It's another part, but I want it, so want it. So guys, if you want to join any kind of fitness club or something else, so please let me know. I will be sharing details about it. But uh, am I doing this? I look so easily because one of my subscriber has tell me that your content is good, but we need to just hold or grab camera in front of your face. See, I'm doing this from last I think 4 to 5 months, so I just take time for while. So I have taken camera in just front of my eyes because some of people be like out of my mind. So I'm doing just my eyeliner because eyeliner is the game changer of any kind of eye look. So I just want to do eyeliner first. Yay! Are you guys seeing this eye look? This eye looks so pretty good, but this eye look is looking like this is so small, so drastic. But you should go with this eye look. Uh, I have done my eyeliner and then I will just go with mascara and then I will go with my base makeup. So yeah, just waiting for a while. Yes, I'm looking pretty good today. So अब हम करेंगे हमारा base makeup look. So someone has literally said me that don't use Hindi in your channel or something else, but Hindi is also part of my foundation or BB cream. Just with this one product, this product is just a hero, and we will go with this, and we don't need any kind of foundation or something else. So yeah, just taking little bit amount wherever I needed. See, I have acne over this side or this side. Touch wood, someone has put a buri nazar, and I got this, and I don't know why people are doing this kind of shitty things. I have applied a little bit amount wherever I needed, and then I will wait for some while, and then I just go with some brush, and that's it. So, so my pro tip to all you guys is that uh, इसे blend करने से पहले I will just go with some setting mist because I think I should need this, and I will tell you बहुत सारी reason that you should apply just kind of setting mist after before after क्या बोल रही हूँ before blending it. I am taking this just waiting for a while and just taking this brush and just blending this properly. So if you want to just go with some eyebrows, you can shape them, you can just go with this, but I have already done it, so I don't need them to just go. So you can go, and yeah. So my favorite part is to apply just kind of blush, and you guys know that I'm blush bubbly. That's why I'm taking this, and this is gifted by someone. और अब आप सब मुझे पूछना मत कि वो someone कौन है। ये मैंने लिया था खुद के पैसों को आग लगाकर, बिकॉज जैसे सब बोलते हैं इसलिए मुझे भी बोलना पड़ेगा, ओके। So I will be taking this compact powder and just baking my face because बाकी की baking I don't know, और ये वाले baking I was in first number, और तब से ही I was be like baking करने दो यार। ये blend नहीं हुआ, वो मेरी गलती तो है नहीं। Last but not least step is to apply just lipstick. That is my favorite step. So first I will do just scrubbing my lips because scrub करना is so important. So yeah, ये वाला स्टेप दिखाना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं था, फिर भी आई वॉज बी लाइक नहीं, हमारा वीडियो तो रॉ वीडियो है, तो हमें तो सभी बताना। सी गाइस, माय इज लुकिंग so pretty. Oh my god, how self obsessed person I am. Oh my god, जाने दो, लिपस्टिक हट चुका है, पता नहीं किसने हटाया है, बट हटाया तो जरूरी है। So So we will go with this two shade, and don't ask me which this two shades are because ये मुझे भी नहीं पता कौन से शेड है। मुझे पता है पर मैं आप सबको क्यों बताऊँ जब तक आप मुझे कमेंट्स में ना पूछो। So yeah, I'm taking this pink shade. This is from Swiss Beauty और इसका नंबर नहीं बताऊंगी, फिर आप सब लोग ले लोगे ना, इसलिए नहीं बताऊंगी। मिरर जरूरी है, बाकी का हम म्यूजिक लगा देंगे क्योंकि अभी बोलने के लिए कुछ बचा नहीं है। स्क्रिप्ट तो हम लिखते हैं नहीं क्योंकि हमारी राइटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है। So take this two fingers and just pour it into your mouth. I'm not teaching something vulgar or something else. I'm just taking that. If you touch on your just kind of teeth or something else, so take this two finger and just hold it to your mouth. And ये अभी हम off camera करेंगे, okay? हाँ, and last step is to apply this shade because this shade is my favorite of all time. I know this doesn't suit my skin tone, but फिर भी हमें तो लगाना है, so हम लगाएंगे। Ouch. So if someone is interested in me, I know lot of people are interested in me, but फिर भी अगर कोई interested है मुझ में, then just comment down और उसे मैं अपना खुद का मैनेजर बनाने वाली हूँ। कमेंट कर देना गाइस।